In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoho WorkDrive. If you're ready to enhance your file management experience, this guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and straightforward. Designed for both Windows and Mac users, Zoho WorkDrive offers a seamless way to access and sync your files right from your desktop without having to constantly navigate through a web browser. First, let's start by visiting the Zoho WorkDrive website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to workdrive.zoho.com. This is your starting point for everything related to Zoho WorkDrive, giving you access to all its features and download options. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in with your Zoho account. Enter your Zoho credentials carefully, making sure everything is correct, as this will grant you access to your personalized WorkDrive environment. After logging in, we'll need to locate the download section. Typically, this involves scrolling down to the bottom of the WorkDrive page. Alternatively, you can also find what you need by clicking on the Apps option from the top menu. This directs you to all available applications associated with Zoho WorkDrive, including the key feature we're focusing on today, WorkDrive Desktop Sync. The next step is the selection process, where you choose the right version of WorkDrive Desktop Sync for your operating system. Be it Windows or Mac, Zoho has you covered, so make sure to choose the correct one. After selecting the appropriate option, click on the Download button. This will start downloading the installer to your computer, getting everything ready for installation. With the installer downloaded, the next move is to run it and complete the setup. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, allowing the installer to configure all necessary settings on your device. This usually involves a straightforward process where you click Next a few times. Once the setup has been completed successfully, you'll be one step closer to accessing your files with ease. Now it's time to sign in to your WorkDrive desktop app. Open the application and log in with your Zoho account credentials once again. This step establishes the needed connection between your online WorkDrive and desktop, ensuring that your files sync correctly. After logging in, your WorkDrive files will magically appear as a folder on your computer. This folder allows offline access to all your important documents and gives you the flexibility to work both online and offline efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up Zoho WorkDrive.